Are you bored and looking for some fun games to play? If that is the case, then you need to look no further than Roblox. In this video, we have rounded some of the best Roblox games that you can play when you are bored. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the Roblox world. First on the list we have Farm Life Simulator. This game is a virtual simulation of a farm life. You can plant and harvest various crops. You even get to raise your own animals. You can go fishing if you want to. You can explore the mines. Then with the coins that you get, you can upgrade and customize your farm and your buildings. This game is suitable for all age group, and if you want to give it a shot, then you can do that. You definitely will not regret it. It is really fun and you don't easily get bored. You can have your kids play at it, or if you want to, then you can play it for yourself. I'm sure that you will love the game interface and you will not get bored. Pass the bomb. In this game, you just have to run from the person that is holding the bomb. But if you are the person with the bomb, then you just have to find someone to pass it on to. Then finally, at the end, if you are the person with the bomb when it explodes, then you'll be eliminated until the next game. This is an awesome game that you can play with your friends when you are bored. The good thing is you can play over as many times as you like. If you are looking for something fun and exciting to do with your friends together, then you should try Pass the Bomb. Third on the list is Shipping Lanes. In this game, you have a ship and your goal is to deliver cargo, oil, or bunk. You just get to travel to different ports around the map for money. This is a very realistic game where you sometimes get big waves like these, or sometimes it is a really smooth sail. So now you just have to be able to stabilize your ship, go to the route that you're supposed to follow, and deliver the cargo. Then eventually you'll be able to customize and get bigger and better ships. You're definitely going to have loads of fun with this game with this surreal view of the ocean. How cool is it to build your own city? The next game that you would love to try out is Mini Cities. From a rural land, you get to build it on your own with tall buildings, roadway, and many more. You can literally go from this to looking like the city is an actual New York. I'm sure with this game you're going to have a lot of fun while you're building your own city. The final game is Word Jump. You play this game not only for the sake of playing, but simultaneously you learn at the same time. And by doing that, you either save the planet or you destroy it. Now that I see a smile in front of me, I just have to spell the word by jumping across it. And by playing this game, you just learn new words. You can make your kids play this game and learn at the same time. So these were the top 5 lists for the best Roblox game to play when you are bored. I'm sure that you're going to have an amazing time playing this game with your friends, your child, or just by yourself. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.